Hey darlings, this is Emma and welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trading on pocket options, sharing every move and every decision I make with you so you can get inspired, and if you haven't already, start rolling in your trading journey. I'm really excited about today's session. I'm really excited to see what the market has in store for us and how much profit we can make. So let's find out together, shall we? I'm going to start with the candles and one for the time frame, and now I'm going to pick Bollinger Bands, Bollinger Band width, and the fractal. With this two, we can achieve some amazing result, and I love this combination of the tools. All right, I'm going to place $75, very modest amount for my first bid, and I see that the Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal and the price is currently in the long zone. There is still room for growth, so that's going to be a call option. Time to go all the way up. Let's do it together. And if you are willing to improve your trading skills and build consistent profits, I highly recommend you to just one thing. There is a link below this video, and that is the link to my Telegram channel. And in my Telegram channel, I teach you everything, literally everything you need in order to take your trading game to the whole new level. So please do not miss out on this opportunity. Go and check it out. You will not regret. Okay, how is my trade going? It's going great, in fact. $144 is my first profit. Well done. And let me place $144 for this next one. I see that the buyers lacked the strength to push higher. So, shifting focus to shorts, despite the initial long setup, that's going to be a put option. $256. Great profit. Well, I'm building it up consistently. Let's get another asset pair. Let me also increase the bid to $250 for this next one. And well, I see that the price consolidated above the Bollinger midline, and the Bollinger Oscillator is showing significant upside potential. So let's go for a call option here. Time to do it. Ooh, okay, no profit this time. Well, I'm gonna go right away. The thing is, the minor volatility knocked my option out, but the plan remains exactly the same. All the signals are pointing upward, so I just re-entered to cover the loss. Call option, second time. And see the new profits, $450. Wonderful, just wonderful. Okay, next pair. And I'm placing $480 for this next one. I see that after a strong bullish candle, take a look, it's huge, legitimately huge. But after that, the price is consolidating in the upper part of the Bollinger channel without any sign of decline. The oscillator is showing more upside potential, so I'm gonna go for a call option. I think this long trend is continuing and we are going to ride that wave all the way up. Let's do it together. darlings, and if you are willing to learn how trading really works and you want to get those profitable strategies, I've got you covered in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, so make sure you click it and go check it out, because tons of useful and helpful information suitable for any trading level is waiting for you there. And the profit is waiting for me, $927. I am obsessed. Let's get the next asset pair and let's get the bids up all the way up. $900 for this next one. I know, I'm that serious, and I see a very similar setup here. You see the price is continuing upward without any pullback, staying in the long zone. The oscillator moved out of the oversold, confirming the growth. So it's a call option, loud and clear. We are going up. $1,728. How freaking great is that? Seriously. And now I'm so close to $2,000. Well, I'm going to go bonanza. $1,500 is my next bid. So let's make sure no unpleasant market surprises. And I see that the resistance level was broken and the price consolidated above the Bollinger midline. The oscillator is still showing room for growth, and that is going to be a call option. Let's do it. I am excited. I really am excited. You know, when it comes to trading with the bigger sums of money, I still, up to this day, I get this little tickle inside my body. Oh my God, look at that! $2,880. Guys, quick recap. If you haven't been paying attention, I hope you have been paying attention, but I started with $75 as my first bid, and I got $3,135 at the end of it. And that makes me really wanna keep going and keep exploring and keep learning and keep trading. And I hope it's a great motivation for you as well. If you are feeling motivated and you love the educational approach to strategy and you want to build your results consistently, welcome to my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, so make sure you go and check that out, because everything I know about trading, I put it out there for you. So do not miss on this opportunity. Have a lovely day, and I can't wait to see you back here again very shortly. Bye!